Okay, so today's a weird day. Supposedly, it's the last day of our heat wave. It's lasted since, I don't know, 1st of August, last of July. Anyway, we have a grid outage. We were notified by Encore that's the power people, that we have a grid outage in our area and it should be back up again by 12:30, but it's like 9, no, it's 10 o'clock. So, because we have the solar panels, the power in the house is on. We have our air conditioning. However, I was going to make broth. I'm using up the last of our broth for breakfast. So, I need to make broth, but I don't want to make broth while the grid is out. So I'm in a little bit of a predicament. I think I'll just put it in the refrigerator and wait for the power to come back on, or we can put it on the grill.
Show them the app. Show them what's going on there.
Well, the app says, can you see the app? Is that working?
Mm-hmm.
So it shows that we have a grid outage and we have less than 1 backup hour remaining because this is morning, and in the morning the batteries are low. So it says that the solar is making 6.0 kilowatts. The house is using 6.0 kilowatts. So the house is using everything that the sun is making right now because the air conditioner kicked on just a second ago. So there's a little X there saying that there's nothing coming in from the grid. This is the little line that it says reduce power immediately. Now we have 5.5 the house is using, so now it's feeding 0.5 to the battery, which is right here. So that's our little bit of a predicament, but it should be okay if the clouds stay away. It's only 10, so if this number is only going to go higher. That is the good thing about, one of the good things about this heat wave is we have very few clouds, so we have a lot of power being generated by our solar panels. Another nice thing about the heat wave and power is we don't use as much hot water in our showers because we're so stinking hot. We don't have cold showers. We have not hot showers. Does that make sense? Yes, we have hot water and we have not hot water. This time of year, the water never gets cold in the faucet. Okay, any other good things for the what is it called? Silver lining of this heat wave? Any more silver linings?
Mowing.
Oh yeah,
Grass doesn't grow.
Grass doesn't grow, and the flies, not really too many flies. But once the rain comes, the mosquitoes are going to be really bad because they just are. They eat me.
The air conditioner just went off. Let's take a look again at the app and see what it's telling us now.
Aha, so now the air conditioner went off. So now the house is using 2.4. The sun is more direct overhead. Oh, 0.7, 0.6. No, as the sun gets higher in the sky, it will get bigger, but it's 6.3 now. So it's feeding the battery 3.1 kilowatts. That's 1,000 watts.
So while I was filming her talking about our grid outage, what she mentioned was the batteries. Well, we have 2 Tesla batteries here, and that's what the solar panels charge to run the house at night after the sun goes down. So they do a great job. So this is our solar array. There's 36 panels, and that's what's generating the electricity that supplies the house, and it's doing a great job. Very little cloud cover out here today, so we'll expect to see those numbers on the app really jump up. They usually run between 11 and 12 kilowatts being generated, so usually by 1 o'clock or so the batteries will be full for the night, and This runs the house all day. So thankful to have it. It's a good thing when there's rolling outages and blackouts and lack of electricity from the grid.